Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix League of Legends Vanguard error Van 1067. First, you need to go to services, and here you need to click anywhere and just search VZC. And if you right click and click on properties, you will need to keep this as automatic, and if its services are stopped, you need to click on start. So after this, click on apply and OK. So after that, you need to go to task manager and go to startup apps. Make sure you have your Vanguard enabled. So after this, you just need to basically restart your computer. For some reasons, if it didn't fix the problem, then you need to go to this run command and type percentage local app data percentage. So after this, you will be taken to this folder and just search for Riot games and delete this file. Make sure you have your Riot application closed. Now after that, you need to go to apps and features. So after you get into your installed apps, you need to search for Vanguard, and now you just need to go ahead and uninstall this Riot Vanguard. After that, you need to open your Riot and it will show you to update, which basically means installing your Vanguard again. And that's it for this video. Do leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.